Today for the Bitcoin price, look at this, guys. Congratulations to everyone who took the trades here with us. We exactly hit my price target of $13,700 I was mentioning yesterday and throughout the last few days. But the question right now is, how high are we going? Is this the end of the rally since this was my last price target? Or do we have more upside momentum? Well, I think this is one of the most important videos I have ever made for Bitcoin, because I will be showing you this wick of accumulation pattern I actually predicted to pan out more than 2.5 months ago. The people were laughing at me, and right now we are getting the breakout. This is the textbook pattern I was showing you more than 2.5 months ago, and right now we are getting exactly what I predicted there. And the most important thing here is, if we are breaking only one specific level, I will show you. In this case, we are going here most probably towards my new price target, which will completely blow your mind, I can promise you that. I will be showing you all my trades, the one on Bybit here, as you can see. Then also my trade over on Phemex and another trade. They are going completely ballistic. And also I want to be showing you how you can get, only 2 days left, the highest bonus on YouTube here, $390 completely for free in our pinned comment. I will be showing you all my price targets and what I am expecting for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. So make sure you take a seat, you watch this video until the very end, and please guys, if you want to give anything back, make noise for the algorithm, smash up the like button, leave comments down below, share this video, most importantly here with your friends in groups, WhatsApp groups, wherever. Please do me this favor, share this video. This is all I'm asking for. This is the reason why I'm doing it. I want the algorithm to get rolling, and I want people to see our content, guys. Thank you so much for your support. You're the best crypto family out there. Also press subscribe, press the bell, and also press here on all. And with that being said, welcome to friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always we are starting here on the hourly candles for the Bitcoin price, and look at this guys, congratulations, we made it once again. We got the breakout exactly as expected, and also exactly here to the price target I mentioned in yesterday's video. And what I said yesterday is that we are consolidating here and coming to the end of our ascending triangle. I mentioned how this bounce here was extremely bullish for Bitcoin, and that the breakout towards the upside to exactly $13,700 at least is the most likely scenario. And before I go on here, before I show you my new price targets and also my game plan right now, I want to tell you, you have to be cautious and you have to watch this video until the very end. I want to show you this little excerpt from yesterday's video where I predicted exactly this here to happen. From an historical and also probability point of view, an ascending triangle with a bullish trend leading into it is more likely to break towards the upside, leading us to our old price target still being possible to be fulfilled. It would bring us all the way up to the $13,700 price target in perfect alignment with a high of 2019. And as you can see, we got the break on. We exactly pumped here towards the upside, towards my price target of $13,700. And the question is this already the end? Well, maybe, but I want to show you some very interesting things unfolding here for Bitcoin, which can give us a clue as to where Bitcoin is going in the immediate short term. I want to show you also my trades and my take profit areas and exactly what I am predicting for Bitcoin right now. So first of all, let me go here to the 4 hourly candles. And what you can see here, after the breakout of Bitcoin, after all the breakouts here we accurately predicted, and after all the price targets and profit taking areas we actually already met, the question is, well, in case Bitcoin breaks out further towards the upside, what is the price target? First of all, I want to mention something, guys, because you have to be cautious here. If you are completely invested with all your money and you are in short-term trades, you might as well consider to take some profits, because going here to the daily candles, you can see that we are going here directly into our resistance zone, and Bitcoin was wicking out and now it is back in the resistance zone. And the reason why this zone is so important, and please guys, wait here, I want to show you this pattern here. It's completely mind-blowing, and the price target for it is even more mind-blowing, I can tell you. And this I actually predicted more than 2 months ago. And I can tell you, people were laughing at me like crazy, because the price target of this I already quoted 2 months ago was laughable for some people. Now it is not. So wait here for this. But first of all, I want to talk about why taking profits here makes so much sense. It is a psychological area here. This resistance area is in alignment with the highs we had in 2019. And in addition to that, if we take the Fibonacci measurement tool, it is also in alignment with the golden pocket here, with this golden pocket here. So of course it makes sense to take some profits here. And of course I will show you a game plan in case we are breaking out, and also my next price target. It is also a little bit connected to the Fibonacci retracement, which accurately predicted the 2019 high. So wait for this, but I really want to urge you guys, don't get too greedy here. We made amazing profits. It's historical. Like all our followers made so many profits here with all of these trades. I just want to urge you to take some profits to be sure, like even if it goes to zero, that your trades were profitable, and then you can let the rest rise towards the upside. So what is my next profit target here? And here I want to remind you on a video I actually published 2 months ago, I think 2.5 months ago. We were like, I don't know, somewhere here, right? And the people were still laughing at me. And this is actually the wick of accumulation pattern. And right now it seems like it is exactly going to pan out as I predicted it more than 2.5 months ago. So what I basically said is that the last year of Bitcoin, since we had this 14,000 US dollar blow off top, the whole accumulation phase of Bitcoin was divided in 5 different phases. Phase A, B, C, D, and E. E is the final stage. And the good news is we are in phase E, and it is confirmed right now. I want to show you this. So this wick of accumulation pattern, it is a textbook pattern. What I showed you was this picture here back then. I was showing you phase A, we have the selling climax, we have the automatic rally, we have the secondary test, and then we are going into phase B. And here another secondary test, right? We have the rally, and then another correction, the spring. Just make a mental picture of this. I was actually taking this exactly and pulling it over to the Bitcoin chart, and you can see how it was exactly, but really perfectly mirroring the price action from the wick of accumulation pattern. And the final stage here, let's focus on the final stage. After the Corona dump here and after this massive pump towards the upside, we had the zigzag pattern. You remember I traded the 9,400 US dollar breakout here towards the upside. And this here was the beginning of phase E. And you know what, guys? I want to show you a little clip here from the video 2.5 months ago where I was predicting exactly this to happen before I continue and before I show you the price target here in case we are breaking out furthermore towards the upside, in case we are knocking out the previous high of 2019. So let me show you this little clip here from way more than 2.5 months ago. Look at this. And this is of course the end. Remember, this is a bearish accumulation pattern. This is the end of this bearish accumulation phase, and this is here in the textbook the beginning of the bull market, going over to phase E here. Well, and as you can see, phase E is right now with this breakdown confirmation and the breakout above the neckline here confirmed. And the question is, what is the price target? And this is the moment where it gets very, very interesting. So we could take either this price target from this to the bottom or this one. Let's stay conservative here and let's take this one. Let's take this measured move price target and pull it over. And I can tell you something, you will not believe your eyes. You know what? I did it here already before. So look at this. With this breakout in phase E, the confirmation of the breakout and now us going higher. Our price target is, and now sit down guys, this is very important. Our price target would be, and it is very important to mention guys, we have to knock out the previous high of 2019, please. Don't rush all in. I'm not telling you to go long right now. It is not the time to go long. I am going to take profit soon, so the opposite is actually the case. Obviously, I will be riding some profits towards the upside in case this solidifies here, but I really want to tell you, don't rush into any short-term, long-term trades. It's just not the right thing to do right now, to rush into a parabola with a long trade. That being said, in case we are knocking out the previous high of 2019, look at this. It does look so tiny, but the price target would be 16,500 US dollars. And why does this target make so much sense? Well, let me pull out the Fibonacci retracement once again from the all-time high to the low. The measurement tool, which actually not only predicted the 2019 high, it also predicted my profit-taking area I was mentioning throughout the last few days and weeks of 13,700 US dollars, which we had perfectly today. It is also predicting, hopefully here, the next price target for Bitcoin, because if we go up from the golden pocket here to the 78.6, the 16,300 US dollar level, And then you see that this is once again, what a coincidence, in alignment with our measured move price target here. Then we can make the case that the $16,300 might be the next target for Bitcoin. And as always, guys, remember, we would be taking profits earlier because, you know, people are watching our videos. We are getting so many views. So my profit taking area would be like 15,900 or whatever. So as you can see here, this is probably the next price target in case we are knocking out the 2019 high of $13,700. 15,900 to 16,300 US would be the next profit taking area. And we have to find these areas because otherwise, technically, after the 2019 high, the next price target would be the all-time high, because technically there is no traffic, there is no volume traffic on the VPVR, and all we have is Fibonacci, all we have is this amazing wick of accumulation pattern, which I actually predicted to pan out here all the way back 2.5 months ago. Let me know down in the comment section down below what you think about it. I think it is completely amazing how this wick of accumulation pattern is panning out. Our last video about it 2.5 months ago got 35,000 views. I think it actually it deserves 100,000 views, because something like this is historic, and the fact that we talked about it way back is actually a very nice thing. So something you could really do for me here, if you want to give back or whatever, give this video a like, make some noise, I don't know, make a comment, a nice comment with some content. I will try to answer it. Share this video with your friend. This is the most important part. You go down below, you press the share button, you can share it in a WhatsApp group, in Telegram, Facebook, wherever. You would do me a very big favor, and it helps the algorithm to get rolling. And the only reason why I'm doing it, I want to reach people. I want to reach the whole world with my content. And you supporting me with engaging on the video, making noise for the algorithm, this is what really supports me here also in my work. So thank you so much for your support, guys. Thanks for smashing up the like button, for getting the algorithm rolling. It really means the world for me. Also, I want to be showing you my trades. This is my trade over on Bybit. You can see 93,000 US in a profit. It is a short-term trade, 22x leverage. I will be taking your profits very soon. But the next trade where I am going to take profits very, very soon here, I will also move my stop loss. I will maybe put a trading stop loss here, is this trade. This is my short-term trade on Phemex. You can see this has the highest entry price out of all my trades right now. It is 114,000 US in a profit. And this one, I am going to put at least a trading stop loss to make sure that this is going to be stopped out very soon in a very big profit. And this is my game plan right now for the short-term trade. And you remember, I have here over on my main account also my long-term trade, where I'm not gonna take any profits. This is the one here at 9,400 US, 97,000 US in a profit. But again, guys, after this video, I will make a new trading stop loss here for my trade for the 114,000 US profit take trade on Phemex, just to make sure that I am going home with profits here, with significant profits. And something else I wanna tell you, if you wanna give back, but also if you wanna get the highest bonus on YouTube, well, you might as well just scroll down to the pinned comment, and we have here in the pinned comment $390 for free. For everyone watching this video, just in case you are an experienced trader. This is only for experienced traders, but if you are, $390, and this is the deal, guys. Only 2 days left. In 2 days, this will not be there anymore, and you will have a $90 bonus or something like this. So right now is the time. Right now, click the link below here in the pinned comment. Make your own account on Bybit. This is the exchange where I'm trading the most. And with this code and this deposit schedule, for example, if you deposit 0.1 Bitcoin, you get $60 plus $90. If you deposit 0.5 Bitcoin, you get $300 plus $90 with our link, with this here. And it is very important to mention that it is only going on for the next 2 days. You can make the account, you can claim your bonus, and wait for the next trade. You don't even have to rush into a trade right now if you think this is not the right time to rush into a parabola. So it is the time to make the account, it is the time to claim the bonus, but maybe it is the time to wait for the next good trade to come. Thank you so much for that, guys. And I want to show you something more. Here you can see yesterday I was posting this out. I was just so happy that we hit our price target. So happy that so many of you guys made profits here. So if you want these time-sensitive updates, follow us at MMCrypto on Twitter. Very, very important. But this is the most important thing. And I left it till the end. For everyone who is watching until the end, you are really helping us out a lot with that. Look at this tweet. Let the institutional Bitcoin FOMO begin. And why did I post it? Look at this. The MicroStrategy Bitcoin buying is already in a profit of more than 100 million US dollars. You remember they bought 38,250 Bitcoin here at $11,110 or $11,111, and their profits right now are already outracing here the business profits. The business profits are approximately 80 million US dollars, taking 2019, 2018, 2017, all of them together. And the Bitcoin they just bought like a few weeks ago are already generating a higher profit than the whole profits there. Obviously, other companies are going to see this. Obviously, other companies know about the inflation, and obviously other companies will consider putting Bitcoin into their own treasury just to remodel the nice thing MicroStrategy did here. So I want to give a big shout out to MicroStrategy. It is very nice how you are, as one of the first movers, making this very important step. And of course, first movers rewards are always the highest. That's why everyone who is rushing in a trade right now is obviously less likely to get rewarded than everyone who was rushing into a trade with us, the MMCrypto family, at 9,400, 10,500, and so on. So this is what I wanted to tell you guys. The institutional FOMO is beginning, and we can be very excited about the future, especially considering our price targets here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button, making noise for the algorithm, smashing the subscription button, pressing the bell, pressing on all. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, click the subscription box right here, and also click the Bybit tutorial, which is popping up right there. And as always, guys, bye bye.